Welcome to MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something. Hi there. Welcome to another episode of MacGyver's Workshop. Been kind of offline for a little bit. After we finished the house, me and the wife kind of took it easy for a little bit, and usual day job work chaos, that sort of thing. But we are back for our, I don't know, what would you call this, our annual Christmas episode?
So I guess this one's kind of actually a a biannual, I guess you could say, as we kind of missed out last year. Had a lot of things going on. Those lot of things was actually that I've actually started my own shop now.
Yep.
I've gone full time. Actually left John Deere and started my automotive and performance and off-road facility in South Carolina, there where we live in Greenville. Yeah, so it's kind of kept me pretty busy, and we didn't get to make it up last year, and we were hoping to have a project this year, but we ended up having a few other things on the plate, so it's all kind of worked out pretty good, though. So
yeah, well, we've been scheming, of course, coming up with some ideas to do a cross promotional kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'll link to the channel for his shop and address and all that good stuff. So if you're out there near Greenville, South Carolina?
Yeah, Greenville, South Carolina, yep. Oh. We're Advanced Specialties and Performance, ASAP Automotive for short. You can find us on Facebook. It's Advanced Specialties and Performance LLC. YouTube, it's the ASAP Automotive channel. Thankfully, to some group out in California, we had to add the the to the beginning of it because somebody had already took the name. So.
Yeah.
But it's all good. We got just one, we just got a little bit on there right now, but we'll be posting more and more videos. Actually, what we were talking about here is kind of a bit of a teaser here, is that we've got actually a few projects in the that we're talking about in the works, and one of them being starting off with a few episode series, maybe some kind of build off or something like that. So you guys will have to check us both out. Yeah, I'd love for you guys, if you get a chance, look us up, subscribe, like us, all that fun stuff. Get any questions? Feel free. We're everything automotive. I'm passionate about it, and I love it. So it's definitely in my element. So
that's his. Well, you've done the trifecta, really. You found a good woman, married her. Okay. You got your own shop now that you're going to be running, and you got your Corvette.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
That's pretty badass there. So.
Oh yeah, we'll have the video up of that soon and everything. 15-year dream finally coming true. Yeah. And for those of you guys out there with Corvettes, actually in the upstate area in South Carolina, that's actually one of the things we'll specialize in our performance side. Will be Corvettes. So.
Yep, and I'm real close to the Corvette Museum here in Motorsports Park, so I'm going to be expanding my affiliation with the Corvette Museum. Daniel Decker, he's the mechanic out there. He's a good friend of ours, and I'm wanting to see whether MacGyver's Workshop either does some volunteer work or do something. Some ideas that me and him are batting around. We'll probably rent out the track one day or something and go use the track and try something there. And
yeah, there's definitely a ton of stuff in the works.
Stuff in the works. So.
Yeah, you guys are definitely getting to see it in its infancy stages. Yeah. You guys can actually kind of a lot like he's done with the house project. The guys they're pretty much from start to finish.
Yep.
You can actually catch all our progress on the Facebook page and Instagram, Twitter, stuff like that, and also on our YouTube channel. We'll be posting quite a bit on the progress of the shop. Got a shop facility. It's kind of rough, so we've been going through and remodeling it and making it ours, adding that touch, making a professional look to it, and all that fun stuff. So you guys get to follow along and watch us grow, from basically from the ground up. So if you guys are interested in that, it'd be cool. Love to have you guys tag along and check us out. So,
indeed. So, like I said, MacGyver's Workshop. You never know what we're going to be working on next, and if you're not too careful, you might learn something.
oh yeah.
So, stay tuned.